Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable screen reader or select to speak on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on accessibility and convenience. From here, just tap on accessibility, then tap on vision. And from here, you will find the option of select to speak. Just tap on it, then enable the shortcuts toggle. Then select allow, and from here just make sure you select accessibility button and select OK. And once you do that, you will be able to select the text on the screen for your smartphone to speak. For example, I will open any website on my smartphone. Now to enable this feature, first of all, just tap on the accessibility icon over here, then select any text on the screen to speak.
Oppo A5x 1000 nits display, IP65 resistance. The new Oppo A5x is engineered for adventure.
And this is how you can enable screen reader or select to speak on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.